morning. So I'm doing trading strategies for 4th of July. And a disclaimer that this is only for educational and research purposes. Do not believe any information on social media, including this one. So let's discuss the Nifty market structure. It has made a vertical climb of about 82%, almost about 80% plus. And generally, we have seen that such movements are non-sustainable. Also, the rate of change is changing. So if you look at the inclination, it seems to be changing. If you look at the India VIX inputs, we have seen India VIX input go up. So the input says that the India VIX has gone up, and also Nifty has gone up. Generally, the empirical study says that this is getting volatile. This is getting riskier. So one needs to stay careful. The inputs from the West is that the Dow Jones futures is trading slightly on the flattish side, on the negative side of it. United States Independence Day, so obviously it's going to be slightly sluggish in that sense. Inputs from the East is that Nikkei has dropped by about 0.7%, which is minus 240 points. Chinese markets, when I was reading this, had almost a flat opening. There's no holiday which has been reported, but seems to be a flattish market. The Singapore MSCI was also negative. So majority of the East market seems to have a negative opening or a flattish opening. The closing from the European markets is also on the negative side of it, so one needs to stay careful. On the economic front, now you have the FOMC meeting which is coming on 5th of July. Today being a holiday in the US, there will be no meetings. 6th and 7th are important dates because there are a lot of economic calendars coming up, and that's the reason why the VIX has picked up. So one needs to stay careful. So these are all the inputs that we bring. So be careful. Nifty has already run up close to about 700 points from the last run up, which I'm counting from 18,600, a vertical climb. And I think one needs to be careful. Both Nifty and India VIX rising. These are not healthy sentiments. What we have seen on empirical basis. However, this could, such statements are only correct in about 60-70% of the cases, but one needs to stay careful. Thank you and have a good one. God bless you and take care of yourself. Trade rich and trade safe. And again, no recommendations being passed on here. This is only for academic and research purposes. Do not believe any trader or any tip or any recommendation. Follow on your strategies. Do not believe any YouTuber in that sense, because generally most of them are trying to pass on recommendations to you. Thank you and have a good one. God bless.